Hey everybody, welcome to 52 Weeks. In this video, you're gonna learn how to create an animated video in less than 15 minutes. I have used many softwares to create such videos, but recently when I got to know about this software and I explored the software, hands down, this software provides you the best services and gives you a lot of flexibility to create your own animated videos. What you don't learn in this video is how to create a script in less than 5 minutes, how to add voiceovers, and how to add background music. I have already created videos for which I'm going to share the link in the description box, and in case you are interested to learn these things, you can always go back to those videos and learn those skills. It's quite easy, it's quite effective, and it helps you to create a lot of content. And before I deep dive into this particular software, I just want to highlight this to you that if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment in the box that what exactly you learned from this video. You will be eligible to get my YouTube Mastery course for free. Name of this software is vyond.com. It is vyond.com. And once you enter this in your Google URL, this is where you log in. To use this tool, you have to create a account here. For that, you can just go ahead with the free version for this. And once you create an account here, you get access to all the tools and the resources for free for next 14 days. And if you like the kind of content you are able to create using this software, you can always go ahead with either of the paid versions. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in that. This usually takes 2 to 5 seconds for to get loaded depending upon your computer, depending upon your network, and voila. So once you log in, this is where you land in, and these are different topics and videos which I've already created. So what you have to do, you have to go on create a video. Once you press this, this is where you land in. So you can make videos on contemporary, business friendly, and whiteboard animation videos. In past, I have already created videos on contemporary and business friendly style, and today I'm gonna cover whiteboard animation videos. Just to give you more context about these three different uh, templates. So whiteboard templates are very effective when you are creating videos in terms of, let's say, how to teach finance or how to do anything. Business friendly are those kind of videos which you can easily use to create your presentations for your work, for your project works. So let's go ahead with whiteboard animation videos. It generally takes less than 5 or 7 seconds. So once you are here, it is extremely relevant for you to know that how to use this tool. I know that you are already aware the name of the tool and you can easily bounce off from this video and directly go and try figuring out this tool. But I would personally suggest you to stick around for a couple of more minutes so that you know exactly how this tool works. So on the top side, there are different options which you can see. You can see an option of scene. You can So when you press or scene, you get multiple different templates which are easily accessible for you. You get some templates around catering. You get some templates around charts, and you can easily play around with different kind of colors which you want to play around with. So I'm gonna go ahead with this right now. Here you can create new characters like this, and again you can play around with whether you want color coded or any of those aspects. And here there's another option called props where you can add different kind of props. So these are very handy tools. We just have to click and drag it and you have those props ready. So a prop like this, it is going to be quite tough to actually create this using your own hands, but here you get an option to figure out very easily. You can also make charts depending upon what kind of data reflection you want to go ahead with your videos, and of course you can put in titles and different kind of text in your video. This whole area is for you to add different things in your video, and once you have added different objects, characters or theme, then how do you change those interfaces? How do you play around with those templates? So for that, what you have to do is you have to click any of the object or a character or a prop and then start looking on the right side on this area. So here, as you can see, you can easily come up with different actions what you want to for what you want this character to take. You can easily go ahead and change their expressions. You can easily put in different dialogues. Let's say I want this person to say some specific word, so I just need to add dialogue here, and this person will start saying those words and look like that this person is actually talking. Plus you can around, you can come up with different effects, whether you want this person to slide from left to right or right to left or bottom to top. So there are different aspects which you can play around with this here. So what before I jump into the video making, this is very important. This is where the timeline is. So in this timeline you can easily add new scenes and you can continue to make this video. You can also stretch this to increase the duration of this particular slide, which it will automatically adjust according to your video. The best part of this tool is that you can create your video here. You can add different background musics and even your voiceovers in this video. So you don't really have to juggle around on different tools to figure out how to create a video. So it's one place where you create a video using different templates and you go ahead with that video. So now let's focus on this specific video, how I'm going to talk about. So let's figure out what all options do we have. So there are different options which are available. Let's go ahead with finance and let's see what can we make through this video. Finance is a very interesting topic because a lot of people are making videos on finance, that how to save money, how to become rich, and how it is really important for you to save money. So let's figure out some topic which any okay, let's go ahead with this. This looks fine to me, and if I just preview it, you will see how the animations work in this particular template. Voila. So as you can see, it is quite tough to create something like this using your own hands, but here you have the template with you on the go. So if I need to exit this preview, I just have to press exit preview, and then here I can easily make changes to that. I can drag and drop it here. You are richer than you think. I can play around with this particular person. I can see how, whether I want this person to be a little small or whether I want to keep it somewhere else. So there are a lot of options which you can go ahead with. So I'm gonna just keep it like here what it was. So this looks fine, and I can just change that how to save money. Money, how to save money, and let the compounding take care of your money. And I can just remove this. It doesn't take much time for me to remove all of this. So this is a little long title of this video. Usually I don't prefer that, but for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and make some changes to it. So I can change the color through here. I can decrease or increase the font size from here, and if I want to change a color, I can easily play around with from this area, and as you can see that color is getting changed. So it's quite easy and it's very effective to make the video look good. So this is my first page is ready, and I can just decrease the length of this video. Let's keep it to 5 seconds, and this is going to be my front page of that video. Let's see how this looks like. The best part of this software is that it gives you a lot of flexibility to play around with different aspects which are involved in a video. And as you can see that this is a person who draws all of this, and voila, this is ready. Let's add another scene here. So there are three different options which you get here. One is that you can choose a different scene, you can add a new screen, and also you can continue from the last scene. So for me to create this video, I'm gonna choose another scene, and let's see how and which aspects which I want this to have. So let's say these are the three. Got it. So here, what you can see is that you can see a calculator, which makes sense. There are different steps which are telling me that what all I need to do. To save money, let's go ahead and change some content. To save money, you should a earn more and spend less. Invest money in equities. Third could be invest in physical assets like gold. So as you can see, right, these are different areas which I can play around with. And if I want to just add some effects, cool effects into this, I just have to go here. I click on slide left, and let's say I want this to pop. I want this to slide. Slide lines to slide down, and I want this to slide up. I want this. These are different effects which you can easily use, so it's quite handy when you look at it and it's look really cool. And if I want to change the font's color, I just have to go here and pick a different color, and let's say I'm gonna pick green. I'm gonna pick all these points into green. And here I can easily drag and drop it here as per my own convenience. And let's see how the video looks like from the beginning. So while this video is in process, you can add on some voiceovers to sound it look really cool. You can add some background music to make it even look better. So as you can see, in less than 3 or 5 minutes, two of my slides are ready, and my video for almost 15 seconds is good to go. Let's add another scene. This scene, do I get any template? Yes. So it's about your storytelling, that how you want to tell the story. So here you can see that there are different people out here, and if I want to play around with these people, let's see what all I can do. I can make some, let's make this guy angry. Just look at this person's face, and you'll see that this person will suddenly look to sound angry. You see that? There's a security guard who is present, but let's see if whether we want him to be, let's place it here. She is a little scared. So it's all about storytelling, that how do you want the story to be coming across. Let's make her a little scared. So again, I'm not focusing too much on the content which I'm speaking or which I'm creating, because this is not a final video which I'm going to go ahead with. But you get the gist, right, that this person is having a bad conversation with this lady, and while they are having a tussle, while this person is standing in a queue patiently, and this lady who is just got her money, she is really happy. So let's make her happy. She's happy. This guy is, let's make him bored, because he's got a really boring job, and all he has to do, he just has to stand there and give money to other people while he is not making other money. uh, Anxious. Yeah, so he is anxious that this lady is taking so much of money, and this guy doesn't have any money with him. This guard, so as you can see, like these are different props which you can easily use. And while you are still here in this video, I am really grateful that you are spending your time to upgrade yourself. You're learning new skill, and I'm really thanking you from bottom of my heart that you're still watching this video. Also, I would suggest, if you're still here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the box, because if you do that, you become eligible to be one of the winners for the course which I have created, where I teach everything on how do you create your own YouTube channel, starting from scratch, from creating your own videos, creating YouTube channel, and writing your own script. So it's a very interesting course which I feel everyone should know. The course just doesn't cover about how to create videos on YouTube, but it also teaches you how to create really nice content. So let's have a view and how this video looks like. So there's this person who is there and he's spending money, and there's now it's more about what kind of aspects which are relevant for you to save your money.